So we got a call for a Jeep that is stuck in the river down here just above Washington Dam. We're gonna head down and see if we can get him out of there. We got Jamie here with the weather.
It's been a while since I've been on a recovery, and I know why. It's hot outside. It's like 108 degrees today. We're gonna melt.
How is it in here?
Not much cooler.
We got Peanut back there. We've got Tom back there with Dig Dug. Rhett's gonna be helping him. It might be a little bit of a battle to get this out. We'll see.
So I got a call from Matt saying we got a job, and I didn't really pay attention. I don't know where it is. I don't know what we're going to get. All I know is that I'm following him and Dig Dug, and that I got Rhett here with me.
But we'll get him out, whatever it is. I don't even know what it is.
Watch for cows.
There's the river. We gotta get down there somehow.
Yeah, we've got to somehow get down to the river. I think we're kind of all ledged up here unless we can get down right here.
Then you have to get in the river, I think, if you get down right there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get in the river to find him.
To get him? How did he get there where he was?
He says he came in this way.
Guess what? This takes you right to the river.
Yeah. I've got to lock my hubs in. I gotta lock them in right now.
This is kind of making me nervous that we're driving up the river so far. It looks pretty shallow, but it's sandy.
I guess we're driving up the river or down the river, so I'm gonna lock in hubs before we get in.
Should have wore swimming trunks, you know?
Yeah, sandals, chacos.
Yeah, he came in this way and drove up the river.
All right, looks fun.
I guess my attire is gonna come in handy today.
Maybe.
My shorts and my sandals.
Did he find him already?
We got to get out of this river. I want to get up on the bank, but I want a good way to do it. I don't know why people just drive into places like this. I really don't. It doesn't seem like the benefits outweigh the risks. Stop. Hey, you got your locker in?
Yep.
Don't do anything.
We got stuck. I cut over a little too soon. We're in some deep water here.
You gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them. So when you start going, the last thing you want is to end up in the same situation he's in. So if it starts to do that, abort.
What are you doing here?
Making the best shorts I can.
All right, thanks, man.
Oh, that feels good. We're out. This water feels really nice right now.
Tom, I got a question for you. It's a very serious question. Why do people just drive up rivers like this?
Well, I'm doing it because you said, hey, Tom, come follow me.
Well, okay. But I'm talking about customer-based.
I have no idea. I mean,
it's fun, but the risk is really high.
Oh, you can see, I didn't follow your line exactly, and I got stuck. Like, you searched out a good shallow path for Jamie, and I didn't take it right.
This is what we're gonna go get.
Oh, he's in there deep. Wow.
Yeah. I was gabbing away too long, and Jamie started to take matters into her own hands. Jamie, because of the treacherous nature of this job, I'm gonna stay on foot scouting. I would do the 12-inch rule. Try to stay 12 inches to one side or the other of those tracks when it's soft.
Pretty close.
Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna scout out some of the best ways to get through this.
wake zone because we're making some wakes.
That's a lot of work.
Good doggy.
I ain't playing. This is a lot of work. I signed up for it, but I didn't understand the assignment. I see him right there.
Should I just go pull on that sandbar and
Yeah,
wait?
for now. Well, let me scout it though. All right, we basically made it here. Now we've just got to figure out the best path to where we're going. Right here, Jamie. Just straight towards me. Getting a little deep right there, but I think we'll be fine. No problem. Let's see how Dig Dug does.
Easy peasy.
How much experience do you have driving in this river?
First time.
So you got like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
So what happens when you stop in the river like this, when it's sand, the water just keeps washing the tires underneath your sand and you just sink. So you can drive on things that you can't park on.
How long does it take?
Not very long. That Jeep's going down. Let's get it out of there. How's it going? So is it still running?
No. I had her walk out here. So right through here, it doesn't get that deep. But it's just when I turn down to this side, and that's that hole is just right there. But
So did it die or did you shut it off?
I shut it off.
Okay. You think it sucked water in the intake?
I don't think it sucked water in the intake. That's why I shut it down. It was just getting so far under. So I can't tell if it's in neutral or in drive.
Okay, pull it tight.
Oh, how sad.
That door's locked.
Will I unlock? Oh, I don't know if it'll come unlocked though.
Okay, we're in 4 low. Now we're in neutral. Okay. This is crummy.
What are you doing?
I'm cooling off.
Oh, I thought you were like going underneath or something.
I'm just gonna double it. Back up a foot.
Having no shoes on hurts. This sand's hot.
I've got the transfer case in neutral, so it'll pull out now.
Man, he just hit a hole. You can see it under the water. The sand just slopes off right there into a big hole. That is so sad.
Like, it's exciting and fun to do recovery, but I hate when an expensive piece of equipment gets ruined like this.
Okay, pulling.
Right out. Brett, I need you to go in the back of the MORR there and get whatever tools we need to disconnect this battery.
Yeah. They're rolling. Yeah, this side's rolling. The back are not, but the front is.
Okay, hang on.
The back are skidding.
Stop! Let the pressure off. So there's 2 high, 4 high.
I think this is what we'll need to get the battery disconnected.
Okay, stop. I'm gonna let some water out of this. This doesn't have 2 batteries, does it?
This is gonna be a dead pull out.
I'm a little nervous about it, honestly. I think we should let the air out of, a lot more air out of Dig Dug and more air out of the banana.
I think we're gonna have to do it in series.
Yeah.
I think having the record here would have been a good idea.
Yeah. We keep doing that, don't we? We're gonna get this turned around, I think, right here, just because I think we can. That's turning the wheel. Okay, relax it, Tom. I'm gonna grab the front now. So I'm hooking right here. This will give us the angle that we need to spin around. How's that working over there?
You're turning.
Well, that's something.
It is something.
Come on, Jen.
Not probably.
Yeah, you want to grab the front?
Racer Jeeps are the only thing that get sunk in water, Dad.
And razors.
How many razor jobs have you done that are in the water?
One right here at least. Can I go straight through there? Can I follow the wind?
Yes. You'll hit the log a tiny bit.
Can you grab the rollback and meet us?
I'll drop him a pin.
Matt said he'll drop you a pin.
So Matt just called, said they have a vehicle that they need the rollback for, which means it's probably a dead vehicle. They're somewhere down by the river, so we're gonna go find them and get them the rollback and get whatever vehicle they have out of there.
We saw the ruins here. We're like, oh, let's go check that out. But all the roads to it are gated.
Yeah.
And we found the river, so we're like, oh, we should just be able to drive up a little ways. Never got lower, deeper than our axles. I even had her walk out here. But yeah, I hit that hole. Feels good to have it out of there.
Are you
It's
hot
still
at
not
all?
running. Oh yeah, I'm roasting, and
You
it's
should
kind of
just-
humid down here by the water.
Go take a dip in the river.
I need to.
Okay, so the plan is to hook both of these rigs up to this one
And go.
and go.
So that's not gonna start.
Oh no. No,
Okay.
no.
Who do you want where?
Well, you're in Dig Dug for sure.
Okay.
I think Jamie's in the MORR.
You know, you could just probably drive out. You walked it. You know where you're going.
I know, but
Oh, in
we
there.
need a strong person in
I
there.
forgot.
Do that.
But he can steer it too.
Okay.
I steer.
Well, go get familiarized with your new Jeep that doesn't do anything it used to do. So the only thing you can do now is steer it and brake it.
Okay.
We're going to use one of these Yankum toe points to complete the job. Pop that in there. One of these nice Yankum soft shackles, one of the really long ones. Okay, I think the key here is going to be to keep moving. Like, we can't splash, but we can't stop.
So just a nice medium speed all the way out.
Yeah. Our first stop is going to be dry land. The first dry land that we hit on this side of the river. All right. A little bit nervous. Just because I know how treacherous this river can be.
My turn to hike up the river. And I'm gonna get wet. Wet jeans are the worst.
All right, we got the MORR, Dig Dug, disabled vehicle. Let's do this.
Happen to use the bar, or use my shirt to hold the bar because it is hot.
All right, we made it to Matt's pen. We're gonna go see if we can find where they're at. That's pretty cool. There's some beehives down there. I have no idea where Matt is though. I can't remember where that old building right there is, but there's an old building right there.
We saw the ruins here. We're like, oh, let's go check that out. But
They're not moving very fast, but I'm not gonna be able to keep up with them unless I run. Using the try and jump out of the water technique.
This is a bouncy ride. It's kind of fun.
How was that, Rhett?
I took a little dip when I stepped in one of the holes,
the plan is now we've got one more river crossing. We can't stop till we get at least one rig on dry land, and then we'll just kind of see. I'm afraid it's too sharp of a turn for this long.
Okay.
I'll be pulling you there.
Yeah.
So if I get off the road, we can shorten up and then do it. Who knows? Maybe it'll be just fine.
Okay, we'll see how it goes.
I hope we make this part.
This is fun and all, but please don't drive up the rivers. It's just, there's no reason to. Tube it, that's a lot of fun.
Should I just keep going?
I kind of think so.
Okay, those aren't exactly shoes. People are talking like I'm crazy because I wear my boots in the water, but I never get rocks in my boots.
Well, mine come out real fast. Then I don't have soggy feet.
Neither do I live in the desert.
Stop! Let's just grab this.
Look, Rhett's cleaning up garbage.
Turn your wheel a little bit this way,
Yeah.
but not, I'm gonna tell you how much because I don't want you 100%. Right there. If you try to drive, oh, that Jeep needs its wheels turned this way 100 miles. They should always be in line with those ropes.
They're still getting the car out of the river. I just got off the phone with Rhett.
I think it's time for a locker in the front.
Definitely need a locker in the front. Fortunately, I got a MORR in the front.
I was gonna get this a little bit shorter. So hold your foot on the brake till I'm actually putting a little force, and we'll gently go together.
That looks like a maze.
Yeah, it's a little thing I made. I knew this corner was gonna be a battle. Do you feel like we were close?
We made some progress on time, but it's bogged down pretty hard. I think we need to be lined up this way where it's way shallower.
Okay, let's get you unhooked. We've been here before.
Yeah, we have.
I was here one night in a Razor a long time ago.
I remember that.
Stop right there. Okay, turn to the right and see if you can get point your nose down there. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna pull you down here a little ways. I'll do it. I'm gonna winch. Don't back up at all. I'm gonna use the pressure that you have there to help us. Let's get you in front.
Okay.
All right, we're getting close.
Have Matt pull you backwards.
Okay,
You want me to hook up or just get out of here?
get out the way.
Oh, yeah!
Working! I'll climb out of this now.
Okay, I'll just get out of your way.
Well, that was a battle, but I think we're winning. Ooh.
Whoa.
There's Hefe. Got the roll back.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
All right, thank you. Matt's the best. Appreciate you guys.
All right, we're gonna send them off with Hefe. They're gonna take them back to their house and then whatever. Okay,
Who's stuck?
there's a car stuck, he says. We got a car stuck 1 mile that way. So we just got a call from Rhett. There is a car stuck down just a little further than what we were. So we're gonna go get him.
It's what you call a twofer. Austin, a nice car.
How you doing? Yeah, we'll get you out.
Oh, okay, cool, thank you.
Let's let Tom do this one.
With big dog.
Yep.
How are we gonna do this?
Oh, we're just gonna hook up to you, just go nice and slow. Back up here, let's hook you up to Tom, let's get one of your long soft shackles.
Okay.
Did you find anything under there to hook to?
You know,
Long enough. Going around the snow, huh?
well, I'm just trying to protect your brake lines.
Thanks. Got a good spot?
Yeah. So in general, you're gonna want the back of the center of your truck lined up with the passenger wheel on this car.
Okay.
The reason that is because I would like this soft shackle to be angled away from this tire so we don't damage our shackle. Actually, oh, you're dry, aren't you?
I'm wet, but I'm not dirty.
Let's put you in there since you're the only one that's not a mess.
Alright. Wait,
Yeah.
I'm still dry. We're just going to the hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's Thumb. Stop. It's not even moving.
Let's see the problem.
The parking brake might be
Window
on.
down.
Is Matt locking in the hubs?
Yeah, are you on
It's in
parking?
reverse.
Okay, I saw your lights, but
Are you good?
You're good.
not even moving. Oh, there it goes.
Back up just a little.
Okay.
Stop right there.
This is so nice. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know how to shift. I don't know how to roll down a window. We got him out though.
Shirts have not been restocked for a while. Nope, you're gonna have to go with the large.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
All right, we got that one done. Now we're just gonna head back home.
Thanks for watching. He's leaking something back there, but then I remembered where we pulled him out of.
Oh, you're like, he's leaking something.
Yes.